Hey everybody, I'm going to give you a little update on the barn hayloft here. Got most of the wood picked up, except for this long stuff. I just need some of it. Even like over here, there's a few pieces here and there. But yeah. I got this corner door, this little slider door corner over here rebuilt. I got the old milk line, galvanized milk line, took down. As far as the Milwaukee would shoot them into this old oak, red oak here. But I got this corner over here rebuilt. Everything's timber lock tagged in together. And then I went ahead and framed off this end here. I thought I might slap a sheet of plywood up or something. I don't know. Sounds cheaper. Then the loft itself is basically done. Got to either find an edge board or buy one. I'll set y'all up here, then we'll climb up. A lot more headroom. Oop, got a water spot. Couple water spots, 2 of them. I'll try to have the roof coated, sealed. That's not bad though, 2 spots. One would be right here somewhere, and the other one's kind of in the same spot. But yeah, pretty good, pretty good. Anyway, here's the floor. We're square. Just about wrapped my head there. Over here, I mean, this barn being built, so, I mean, it's about a 5-ish foot there. And I got this top kind of blocked off, like I said in the last video. But I need to run an edge on the front of this. Either I probably got boards there. Just something, you got hay up here, it's dusty, slippery. You don't want to lose a leg, drop in. But here's how we come out on the square end. Even back there, and then we lost probably about 2 inches. 2 1/4. So I just run a board, another one on the inside there to here. But I mean, that's like 4 inches, so we're fine there. Now I'm gonna put you back down. I figured I'd put one on that side too. I don't know why, just did. Had the sheet, so I got it extra, just cut off. 9 sheets is what we come up with. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, half, full ish. Anywho, I'm gonna put you back down, and then I'll show you what else I've been up to. Boom. Going down. Now what I'm thinking is, I really like to keep this old oak door here. I mean, it's handy, but what I want to do with this is I want to have this here somehow incorporate this gate. And that bracket there. That way, less likely for cattle to shit in the water. They will do it. They're going to do it. But if you can prevent it, why not? So I've been kind of trying to incorporate that, trying to rack my brain. If I really want to get rid of this, I really don't. I don't know what you guys think. Leave it down in the comments. I've been working on electric too. I guess I've been wiring shit in hot on an aluminum ladder. Last time I turned the breakers off was when I was doing the 2x20, 2x12x20, the two 20 footers up here for the slow rider doors. I turned the electric off. No one, I guess my dad flipped it back on. He was down there the other day. I was getting a little lit up on the last couple lights, but got the old tied in. Actually had enough on the old line where I could hit this, where I could put a box, put a light, put another box, a light, and then I just put an extra loop up in there just because whenever I do this side over here eventually someday. Then I really tucked that one up in there. I put another box there. Redid all electric except for the outlets. I haven't over here. I haven't got to that point yet. But yeah. Guess I wired things in hot. I'm like, why the hell am I getting a little zap? Moved the boxes. Both of them was under here. There's a stall. Then I did the overhead new line out of the box, junction box coming out, up, box, light. I was getting, well, I guess I worked off a step ladder on there and on my trailer here. The aluminum ladder got to here. That's when I started to feel a little, you know. New light, and there's a light back here, right above the tractor. I put a little service loop in there, just because. I still need 2 plate covers. I think 2 of them. Or I have 2, but I don't have enough screws for them. But here's the, I went ahead and labeled them. Overhead, saw, overhead. I mean, can you see the old lights there? There's one. There's one. And there's one on the back side of that post. There. That was it. Way better. I mean, like that right now. Sweet. Install. Can't beat it. $10 Menards. $9.99. 11% off. So yeah. Definitely major improvement. There is the other light right there. Big old bulb on it. And while you guys are here, if you made it this far, excuse me, comment down below, because my brain's not functioning 100% right now. What kind of electrical wire is this and why it's unsafe? I forget. It's like a what the hell? I can't think of it. Comment down below. Anyway, I still got little small things to do down here. Let me shut the lights off, otherwise they'll be on for a little while. But yeah, next step, trying to get this roof sealed, coated. I went up and actually flex sealed a lot of this is the 5V, I think it's called. I did a lot of the seams and overlaps and screw heads and things like that. Basically, bought every store around out of white, but the black covered better. I don't know. Like, whoa, why didn't you pull all them screws out? Well, I'm telling you right now, a bag of 250 screws is $30, and there's, to do this roof here on the garage, it was like, I don't know, about $400. It's 28 by 24. This is 50 by 63-ish. And yeah, I'd just rather get it sealed, coated. Whole thing covered. Anyway, let's see y'all. That's my little update on this one.